So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 23rd of March and right now the time is 9:30. So as I said in my last vlog, I have enrolled myself at Shiv Nadar University for an open photography contest, and the contest is related to architectural photography or in storytelling photography with the nature. And first prize winner gets 4 lakhs, second prize winner gets somewhere around 3 lakhs, and third prize gets 1.5 lakh. So I'm just going to participate and learn something from that. It's not about winning all the time, even failure teaches you a lot. Let's see, winning and failing are part of life. So hopped on to the e-rickshaw. So basically the college is 47 kilometers from where I am staying right now. So from Botanical Garden, college has provided shuttle services and that's free for all the participants. Let's go. I need to have my breakfast. I just got 2 packets of biscuits so that I don't feel, so that I have it on the go.
आप वो फील वो करने का, ठीक है? उसमें थोड़ा आर्टिस्टिक के लिए अगर आपको कुछ और कलर करेक्शन, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट इस तरीके से खेलना है तो आप प्लीज करो, ठीक है? तो आज रात के बाद
It's 12 o'clock right now and I reached college around 11:10. I literally did not expect so many students participating at this competition. So today is the last day and third day. After reaching the campus, we were given a briefing and then they distributed a t-shirt, an identity card and a food coupon along with this map. The college is so huge, it's spread across 300 acres. It has its own lake, own biodiversity, amphitheater, golf course, horse stable, shopping arcade and much more, central library, incubation center. So big, you know, it's so big. It's really good, you know. One day is not going to be so sufficient for me to cover a lot of things, but I started capturing some good pictures regarding infrastructure, and then right now I'm focusing on the infrastructure, and after this I'll be going to the lake and horse stable, everything. Literally it was my dream to study at such huge campus. It has its own vibe and aura, you know, like a big dining hall, great lawn, neat and tidy, and such huge infrastructure. I miss this thing. I literally miss Symbiosis watching this thing. Though I stayed only for 20 days, I literally miss Symbiosis. It's okay. Let's concentrate on this photo shoot. I just bought as a thing to drink to hydrate myself, and let's keep shooting. I'll show you the map. Wait. This is the map. Right now I am at the dining hall, and this is the biodiversity. Excuse me, please move aside. This is the biodiversity. Look at all the birds and small creatures and animals. Let's keep shooting. Just have a look at the campus. This is just nothing. I just spoke with one of the students and he told it's 256 acres. 256 acres. I'm riding a bicycle, exploring the places, halting, shooting pictures. That's my camera, bicycle, 28 to 70. I'm using 28 to 70 for landscape for now. I was told by the student there are 3 best places for now at this time: horse stable, and then biodiversity and lake, and then look around, just walk around. So let's see. Dude, there is literally a horse stable at the university. 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. That's taking a rest. Oh. Please don't kick me. Chicken, white rice, some salad, malai kofta and dal. It's 2 o'clock right now and just done with lunch. In the beginning of the vlog I have told you, right, they have given us free food coupon and that's only veg. And when I was at the dining hall there was chicken fry and the diffusion was so great I could not stop myself from having the chicken. So I paid 170 rupees for 5 pieces of chicken and it was so awesome. But the food was awesome, really. I had white rice, dal and malai kofta, chicken, curd and orange juice. Oh my god, I feel so, I literally miss home having the chicken, you know. I mean, in short, chicken made me miss my home even more, okay. So I'll just sit under the tree for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll go to the biodiversity and then the lake, then Kalas for the day. You know what, I'll show you this thing at the end of the vlog, okay. College la prema overall chalunar. Love birds everywhere at the campus. Look at me, I'm sweating so much, you know, so much. I feel worth the efforts and worth the sweat because such a beautiful place and I'm capturing a lot of good pictures. Even though if I don't win, it's okay. I got some good photos related to landscape photography, architecture photography, nature photography and few photos related to storytelling. I'm satisfied, my heart is full, I'm happy. Yes. See ya after a while. My heart is completely full, you know. I was so close to birds and I captured some of the great eye shots of the bird. Oh my god, that was so nice, you know. If I zoomed it, the clarity was okay because I use Super 35 and usually with Super 35 the clarity fades away, but it did not. It was so nice. I'm excited to share those visuals with you. I need to edit them after I reach home. But one thing is left. I need to capture one close-up shot of the squirrel because squirrels are walking all over the university. One picture of the squirrel. It's 3:50 and just done with shooting all the things and I just stretched up myself. Look at the sweat on my t-shirt. Worth working on Sunday, you know. Now I need to get back home, transfer the data and edit them and then submit by 11:59. So hope for the best. I'll end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys liked it for whatsoever reason. Please like, share and subscribe. University is so big, so nice. Bye.